Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to generate SVG icons and assets using Claude AI. So to extract perfectly aligned, scalable vector shapes from Claude without the model clipping paths or spitting out useless conversational text descriptions, your prompt's layout must use absolute structural boundaries. Alright, so to open up a fresh chat, type in this high signal engineering prompt boxed inside HTML containers, exactly like this. Claude will then recognize the vector layout parameters, bypass the conversational filler, and immediately split up and spin up an interactive artifact window on the right side of your screen canvas. Okay, and when the rendering engine loads, you will see your live vector asset cleanly isolated in the preview pane. And you are looking at the native, infinitely scalable graphic file compiling directly inside your browser container. And then guys, if you want to tweak a stroke weight, inject modern gradient properties or something else, we can then proceed with a refinement command. Command like this. And our Claude will immediately modify the underlying XML coordinates and hot reload the preview canvas. Your vector graphic assets generation pipelines are now completely automated, fast and optimized. That's it for this one guys. As always, enjoy.